Hey, this is Nuno Tavares from Automated Marketer, and today we're going to show you how to preview your custom fields inside an email before it goes out inside of HighLevel. So I don't know about you guys, but I've made this mistake before when I'm doing a template or an email template, and then I send out an email to a mass group of people, and instead of putting contact first name, I put user first name, and everybody gets named Nuno on the email that goes out. Well, with this preview feature, it's going to eliminate all that because you're going to be able to preview the custom fields prior to the email going out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going into your left-hand side menu. And in your left-hand side menu, you're going to see marketing. Inside of marketing, you're going to go to your templates, and I'm just going to pick one of our birthday templates. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit happy birthday. As you can see, this is our happy birthday templates to all of our customers. So if I wanted to preview exactly how this email is going to look, I'm going to go to the top right-hand side. I'm going to hit preview template, and you're going to notice that it has names and everything already generated. That's because in the preview contact info, I can select a contact that I can leverage inside here that will automatically push it out. Now, any information like their phone number, their address, anything that I wanted to pull in, I can now preview that. You're also going to notice that I have some other custom values. Now, custom values are not showing because custom values are account level, while custom fields are contact level. And in custom fields and in the preview function here, it's all about what's going to show for the contact. And that's it. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next one.